So guys, I'm here to show you again really quickly this software that's called LivePortrait. Just amazing stuff that you can just take a single image and actually animate it with with a sample thing. Incredible stuff that you can do with these things here. Let's see here. Look at that. That's incredible real-time stuff. It's going on. I'm just using a webcam for that. 7 years ago. I mean, look at this. This is incredible stuff that they've just given to us to be able to use. Think of the projects you can do with this. Uh-oh. Better watch out. Watch out for your dating scams. Look at this. This is incredible software. And I've even developed a way that a process to put sound in this. That's incredible, huh? So this is LivePortrait. It's so easy to use. You just grab an image from your images. You grab a video of something or other. Let's see here. Where do I got a video here? Oh, damn it. Hold on just a second here. Grab yourself a video. It loads it up. And then all you got to do is click the animate. It will reset this one. It's already in. All you got to do is click animate. And it even gives you a little thing over here that shows you what the whole thing looks like. So incredible software, LivePortrait. You can check out my installation video. We get you going within 20 minutes. Setting the installation. You can go over to my Patreon site and you can get this going for $5. You can be doing this within 5 minutes. So anyway, you guys hang in there. Incredible times we're living in. I want you guys to take part in it because it's a lot of fun, a lot of cool stuff out there. You stay good.